So this is the Bugatti Bolide in the blue. I do have one already that's in yellow, so imagine where everything is blue. Now just imagine it yellow, and that's the one I have. I think I've had that one for about a year or almost 2 now. Again, it was a part of Costco cars when they had theirs. So I got one in the yellow because there was no blue at the time. So now that I got a blue one, it seems pretty nice. When you think of Bugatti, you usually think of like the color blue. At least I do. So let's remove the backdrop. So let's remove these stickers. So this is the car out of the packaging with no stickers and stuff on. Again, a pretty simple car, to be honest. Just as race cars go. Has slicks, pretty nice, with the flat rims. Pretty cool looking. So let's see what we could open. So using the tool, I was able to get the driver's door open, which for some reason was a little tough to do, but with the tool they provide, I was able to get it open. So now let's look at the interior. You can see a little bit, at least through the camera, the dash, the screen, and some of the steering wheel. Steering wheel does move the front tires, but not a whole lot, and I'm not trying to break the wheel, so it doesn't move as much. But if you do it out here, if you do it on the outside, it still kind of moves the steering wheel. So that's that. I don't think anything else opens on this car, which is fine. So now let's get it off the stand. So now that it's off the stand, you can see Bburago on it. Again, not a whole lot of detail on the bottom. So now let's get it on the turntable. So that is the Bugatti Bolide in the blue. A beautiful looking race car. There is a lot of detail, but not a whole lot to go through. Like the huge vents, a lot of open space, the sides, and even the back where you could see the slicks. That looks super menacing. So other than that, it's a pretty simple car. So let's open the doors real quick. So I think that those are the only doors that could open. This door can go up a little higher, but it just droops down. You can see the interior when the doors are open, but it's a little difficult to see on camera since I don't have any extra light. The sun kind of went down, and again, the seats and everything else are black, so a little difficult to see. But what you can see with the blue, incredibly beautiful. And again, another detail I like has how the line goes straight through, like the other Bugatti, which reminds me of the Bugatti Divo that I did a video on. So something nice to see, and there's not much else I could say about it. So that's about it, and thanks for watching.